Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best tower fans available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Honeywell Tower Fan. It is powerful, quiet and whole room cooling. It has 8 levels of quiet control from white noise to whisper. It has digital temperature display, adjustable thermostat, oscillation, remote control and breeze mode. It has 12-hour auto shut-off timer. It refer to the user manual for troubleshooting steps. The right fan helps cool you off and improves airflow in your room or home. You can give your air conditioner and wallet a break by using fans to help reduce your energy consumption and costs. Honeywell carries a variety of fans to meet your home needs. At number 6 we have Lasko Tower Fan. The Lasko Wind Curve T42950 Tower Fan is 42.5 tall with a wood grain face and black body. The sturdy plastic base assembles easily with a Phillips head screwdriver. And occupies a 13x13 footprint on your floor. This sleek vertical space-saving design allows you to put the fan in small places, where other fans won't fit without sacrificing air circulation style or comfort. The fan creates just the right amount of white noise, making it ideal for sleeping at night when it's warm and stuffy. The fan is lightweight, portable and easy to operate. It comes with remote control, optional oscillation, programmable timer and a built-in ionizer to help freshen the air in your room. At number 5 we have Honeywell Tower Fan. The Honeywell QuietSet Tower Fan provides powerful whole room cooling with quiet operation. Also oscillation and automatic shut-off timer. The QuietSet line of fans are quiet and powerful, so you'll feel the fan's cooling power with less sound. By using fans for air circulation in your home can help increase your comfort and help reduce energy costs as well. The Honeywell carries a range of tower fans, floor fans and oscillating fans. Find one for every room in the house. The right fan helps cool you off and improves airflow in your room or home. The auto dim lights reduce to 50% brightness after 15 seconds. Also touch button to electronic QuietSet controls. At number 4 we have Trio Tower Fan. This tower fan is equipped with a powerful motor and a unique air duct that can provide a velocity of 24 feet per second. That's effectively distributing airflow around the room. Lets you enjoy the cool quickly. This bladeless fan adopts a unique air duct design with fluid mechanics and minimize noise. You can brings a comforting cool and ultra-quiet breeze, and helping you to sink into a soothing night of rest. Deactivate the tower fan's auto mode and the velocity of the wind will automatically change with the temperature, that allowing your room to always stay pleasant and healthy. At number 3 we have Honeywell Tower Fan. The Honeywell Comfort Control Tower Fan is an ideal addition for any medium to large-sized rooms. The inclusion of 3 speeds and an oscillation that allows for widespread cooling make this a performance-rich tower fan that features no shortage of installation options. This tower fan also comes equipped with a 1, 2, 4 and 8-hour auto-off timer that increases versatility tenfold. The convenience has also been addressed with the integration of a recessed carrying handle and LED touch button electronic controls. At number 2 we have Home's Tower Fan. You can keep cool and uncluttered with this streamlined tower fan with 3 speed settings and oscillation for wide area coverage. The metallic front housing easily blends in a variety of home decors. The fan operates quietly to help keep distractions to a minimum. And its multi-directional oscillation provides cooling over a wide area. This tower fan is an ideal cooling solution for small areas. Also, an integrated carry handle allows for easy transport and positioning. At number 1 we have Amazon Basics Tower Fan. The powerful circulation comes with oscillating tower. It is built-in digital control panel. It has remote control that changes mode speeds and more 3 speeds. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best tower fans for your need.